Good afternoon, people. I'm Perry Jackson, currently in Robichaud Park, the physical instructor here. I'm acting as an arts and craft instructor today, though. Okay, I'm going to go over simple little activity you can do with your children at home in regards to elf hats and glitter and glue. These are my elf hats currently. So what you're going to do, you're going to get the items you need. You need your hats. You need your glue and glue sticks for the messy kids. And your glitter. So all you're going to do is you're going to write the name or the object or the information on the hat. Then you're going to sprinkle glitter on the hat and let it dry. If you want to reverse size, put another name, you can do that as well. So once that dries, it'll have a fashiony look, somewhat like this one. So it'll have a name on it. So with that being said, this is a project that you can do at home with your kids. You can use different color glitter, you can use objects, you can use like little spinners, things of that nature. So like I said, it's a brief arts and craft project. It takes you less than 10 minutes to do. Like I said, you put the glue on, you put the glitter on, you make the name of what you want it to be, and then you go from there. You let it dry over a railing or anything that let it dry. So that's pretty much it in regards to this activity. It's brief, it's quick, it's a glitter hat. Like I said, like this hat is already done. It was red polka dots put on this. These are white and red. I prefer the silver glitter or the green glitter or the red. With that being said, have a safe, happy holiday. Children are first. And please guys, remain safe. This is Perry Jackson, Robichaud Park. Happy holidays.